Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the CSV file from the Yahoo Finance. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the number of stocks of the companies, just like this. Now tap onto one of the company that you are interested in, just like this. Then scroll down and tap onto financials right here. Then again scroll down and here you can find the historical data. And here is the thing, CSV is also known as the historical data. Now tap on to view more right here. And now here you can see all of the CSV file of the company, just like this. Now, one thing to remember, there is no any built-in feature on the Yahoo Finance app where you can download the file, but here is a simple trick that you can do, and that is screenshot. Now simply screenshot it just like this, and then you can save it on your gallery. And that's it. This is how you can download the CSV file from the Yahoo Finance app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.